planning to buy or refinance a home, RichmondCustomHomes.com is your trusted destination for clear mortgage options and expert support. When designing your custom home, flooring like hardwood and laminate impacts aesthetics, durability, and value. Hardwood flooring, made from real timber, offers authentic natural grain patterns and warmth, enhancing luxury aesthetics. Solid hardwood lasts 50 to 100 years, while engineered hardwood offers stability against humidity, lasting 40 to 70 years. Hardwood increases resale value by 3 to 5% and can be refinished multiple times for decades. However, hardwood is prone to scratches and sensitive to moisture, requiring careful maintenance. Laminate flooring, a multi-layered synthetic product, provides budget-friendly wood look without the premium price. It's highly durable with AC3 to AC5 ratings, resisting scratches, stains, impacts. Waterproof options available. Laminate is easy to install, low maintenance, pet-friendly, ideal for high-traffic areas. Main drawback: laminate cannot be refinished and has lower resale appeal than hardwood. For custom homes, hardwood suits upscale builds, adding equity. Laminate ideal for cost-conscious renovations. Consider your budget, lifestyle, and location when choosing these flooring options. For expert mortgage advice on your custom home, contact Dwayne Buzayak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. Reach out at 804-212-8663, email Dwayne at coast2coastal.com, or visit richmondcustomhomes.com.